In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for crisis and PR tracking fast and easy. This tool is invaluable for anyone looking to manage their brand's online presence, especially during critical times. So let's dive in and take everything step by step to ensure you get the most out of it. First things first, we need to access Google Trends. Start by opening your web browser and typing in Google Trends into the search bar. Once the search results come up, click on the first link you see. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're there, click on the Explore tab. This section is where all the magic happens, allowing you to dig deep into the search data related to your brand, product, or any specific topic of interest. The next step is to enter your brand or event keywords into the search bar. You can type in your brand name, product name, or any issue-related keyword you're interested in monitoring. For instance, if your brand is dealing with a data breach, you might want to try something like your brand data breach. Press Enter. And just like that, you'll be presented with trend data related to your specified keywords. Now let's customize the data to better suit your needs. Look at the top of the trend graph, where you have several available drop-downs. These will help you refine your results. You can start by selecting the location filter to focus on your target country or region. Next, decide on a time range, choosing between the past 12 months, the past 30 days, or any other specified time will help you keep track of ongoing trends or monitor historical data. You can also refine results by choosing a category that accurately reflects your industry, and switch the search type from the default web search to a range of options like news, images, YouTube, or shopping, depending on where your audience might be talking about your brand. As you view the interest over time graph, look for any noticeable spikes in search interest during a crisis or PR event. Hover over different points to see exact popularity scores ranging from 0 to 100. This can help you measure both the impact of an ongoing issue as well as the reach of your response efforts. To further enrich your analysis, you may want to compare the trend data against normal levels. Simply click on the Plus Compare option and add your brand keyword sans any related crisis terms. This comparison will provide a clear perspective on how much the crisis has influenced your brand's search volume. Finally, don't overlook the Related Queries and Related Topics sections that appear further down the page. These will show what people are searching alongside your brand. This is a great way to quickly identify potentially negative or sensitive terms that have been linked with your brand. The Rising View option is especially useful for identifying emerging negative trends before they become a bigger problem. There you have it. A comprehensive rundown of using Google Trends for crisis and PR tracking. By following these steps, you'll be able to monitor and manage your brand's reputation with greater precision and confidence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more expert tips next time.